Okay, here it is. I'm gonna put it on the couch now. All right. Now IKEA says it's pretty easy to put on. You just put them on. So let's see how that. Nice. Pretty nice. This IKEA system is like remarkable. IKEA, I don't know how they do it, but it's really cool. Pretty nice. Good job, IKEA.
Hi, welcome to Simply Made Fancy. I'm Ruth Angelina, and in this video, I'm gonna show you 2 IKEA hacks on how I repurposed my old IKEA couch covers. Stay tuned. And this is why we had to get new covers for our couches. After about 10 years of having them and 3 little boys jumping around on our couches, they finally gave in. After a Star Wars battle, my son ripped the couch. So a couple of the cushions were torn, so we needed to replace them, and thankfully they still sold them at IKEA. Now, what to do with all the other extra fabric that was pretty much intact? And I wanted to repurpose it and reuse it, so we did a couple of things. My mom helped me make some new pillows for the couches. So here we are, we're making pillowcases out of my old IKEA couch covers. So this is my mom, she's helping me out. We replaced them with a darker version and a newer version because my boys have destroyed it after 12 years of having them. So now my mom is sewing, where actually the original color of the couches was like a darker beige, and we reversed it to the lighter side, and we're gonna make the cushions, the pillowcases, for the rest of the couch. Pretty cool. And now the rest of the fabric, I want to reupholster these chairs that I've had. I've reupholstered them a couple of times. I'm not an expert. I just do it and come up with my own little kind of way and solution. So here we go. What you're gonna need is really simple. A staple gun and hot glue, and that's all I use. Remember, I'm not an expert, but this is my kind of DIY on how to do the upholstery on these chairs. And here's the finished product of the chairs. And sorry, I didn't get all the step-by-step on how I did it because it really is a 2-person job and I needed my husband's help. But this is it. And it wasn't that difficult, it's just you need 2 hands. So for the cushion part, the seat part is pretty easy because it pops up, so you just have to staple gun it. And then this part I just glued with some hot glue. The back of the chair is the tricky part because you want it to look professional. And I took a cardboard piece and cut it the same shape of the chair and then put my backing on it and then wrapped it around. If you can kind of see a little bit, wrapped it around and then just put it together. And on the back of the chair, just did the fabric all along and hot glued the little seam here so it won't come apart. And then stapled it on the very bottom. And that's it. I have brand new chairs and they look nice and expensive. I hope you found this video useful, and if you have your own IKEA hacks, please share in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe, and please check out some of my other videos. See you next time.